Hello sir, welcome to the presentation of Group 7. Today we will be presenting to you the car Maruti Suzuki Celerio X. We will start with the history of the company. It was earlier known as Maruti Udyog Limited and was founded by the Government of India in Gurugram, Haryana in 1981. Here is a picture of the first plant in Gurugram, Haryana where the Maruti 800s were assembled, and the company was later sold to Suzuki Motor Corp in 2003. Here are some famous cars by Maruti Suzuki, which are Maruti 800, Swift, Alto, Gypsy, and Esteem. Maruti Suzuki together owns approximately 56% of the automobiles market share in India. Uh, this is the introduction to the car. So, this is Celerio. This is how the exterior of the Celerio looks like, and this is how the interior looks like. Maruti Suzuki launched Celerio in 2015 at the Auto Expo, and since then it has sold over 5 lakh units for Celerio. The latest version of Celerio will be available for sale in May 2021. Celerio comes in three versions, which are LXI, VXI, and ZXI, which are consistent with the other cars of Suzuki like Swift and Wagoner. The LXI is the lowest version and starts at 4.71 lakhs. It comes in only uh, petrol version. The VXI comes in petrol and petrol plus CNG versions and starts at 5.25 lakhs. The ZXI version is the topmost version and starts at 5.29 lakhs. It also comes in only petrol version.
Hello, sir. I will discuss some of the specifications of Maruti Suzuki Celerio X. These are the specifications that we will discuss: engine and transmission, dimensions and weight, capacity, suspension, brakes, steering and tires. So, engine and transmission. The engine capacity is 998 cc. Engine type is K10B. Number of valves is 4. Number of cylinders is 3. Fuel type petrol. It has a maximum power of 50 kilowatt at 6000 rpm and maximum torque of 90 Newton meter at 3500 rpm. And it has an electric type accelerator pedal, and the drivetrain is front wheel drive. The transmission is manual 5 gears. Emission standard is BS6. Then there is dimensions and weight. Length is 3715 mm. Width is 1635 mm. Height is 5165 mm. And the wheelbase is the distance between the centers of the front and rear wheels is 2425 mm. Then there is ground clearance, also known as ride height, is the least distance between the lower end of the vehicle body and the road, is 165 mm. Then there is curb weight. It is basically the weight of the vehicle in a running condition, which is termed as curb weight, which is 835 kg. Then the capacity. The car has 5 doors. Seating capacity is 5 person. Number of seating rows is 2. Boot space is the space to keep your luggages is 235 liters. Fuel tank capacity is 35 liters. Then the suspensions. The front suspension is McPherson strut with coil spring. Includes a simple assembly of coil spring and a damper shock absorber. Then the rear suspension is coupled torsion beam axle with coil spring. Then brakes. The front brake type is ventilated disc. Ventilated discs are easy to apply, guarantee a safe reduction of speed, and thus can avoid accidents or reduce the consequences of accidents. Rear brake type is drum that uses friction caused by set of shoes or pads that press outwards against a rotating cylinder shaped part. Then there are steerings and tires. The steering type is power assisted electric, which reduces the driver's effort required to steer the vehicle. Then the wheels are steel rims, Steel wheels are more durable and easier to repair than spare wheel. Then there is front tires, which is 165 mm in width, 70 is the aspect ratio, R is the radial construction, and 14 is the diameter of the wheel.
Hello everyone, my topic is function of the Celerio X. In the Celerio X, the headlight and tail light both are the halogen, and indicator light also halogen. There is a cabin lamp in near to the driver's seat. There is a headlight height adjuster. There are the four options in the headlight height adjuster 1, 2, 3, 4 according to priority. There is a fog lamp in the front bumper. There is a in the speedometer we can it gives the information of the door open, airbag working or not, brake notification, battery notification, engine oil, ABS, and there is a digital clock available in the speedometer, and there is a RPM available, temperature of the engine oil. In the Celerio X, there is power steering music system with Bluetooth connectivity. There is a passenger airbag if you want to the there is a driver airbag. If you want to the passenger airbag, you can go through ZXI optional. There is a AC heater. In ZXI optional model, wheel cover available. There is a multifunctional steering in the ZXI and ZXI optional. In the multifunctional steering, we can connect the Bluetooth, increase or decrease the volume, change the mode of the music system, pick up the call or disconnect the call in the power steering. There is a 60/40 seat adjustable, and there is a child door lock. In the Celerio X ABS facility available, there is a photo you can go through it, and there is seatbelt reminder, passenger and driver seat, rear wiper available, and side padding.